Hello, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. Hope you're all having a great Thanksgiving, and what a beautiful day it's been here across South Florida. Plenty of sunshine, wind coming in out of the east, bringing with it a few clouds and a couple isolated showers earlier today. And this is the view right now from Key West. That's a great way to celebrate Thanksgiving. In port there in Key West, a few cruise ships in and out today. Now on the radar, there have been a few light showers along the overseas highway in the Keys. Otherwise, that's about it. And we'll keep a 10% chance of a shower for Black Friday. You can see that onshore wind near 15 miles per hour for majority of the day. High temperatures in the low 80s this afternoon. Tonight will all go down to near 70, a little bit warmer down towards Marathon and Key West. We're still tracking Hurricane Otto. This one is making landfall here in Nicaragua. It is a Category 2 storm and continues to move off towards the west at 9 miles per hour. And as it does so, will continue to weaken. The long-term track takes us into the Pacific as a tropical storm and eventually a remnant low by early next week. As far as planning the rest of this holiday weekend, Black Friday looks good, just like today. High temperature of 81, plenty of sunshine, and we'll keep this nice weather going. Weak cold front moving through Sunday into Monday. We'll dip our temperatures just a degree or two there to start the work week. Have a great Turkey Day. We'll see you here tonight on Local 10 News.